We are less than a month away from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 official unveiling on July 10th. You can now see their design through pictures of their dummy units. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not look too different from their predecessors. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature rounded corners, similar to its predecessor. A report came from Europe. Samsung will offer the Galaxy Z Flip 6 for €1,340 for the 256GB model and €1,467 for the 512GB model. As per popular leakster Evan Blass, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold May 6th come in silver shadow, blue, mint, and yellow colors. The phone is said to come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X folding screen and a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display. We can also expect a higher peak brightness of about 2,600 nits. Galaxy Z Flip 6 featured a dual camera setup, 50-megapixel primary camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, for selfies the same 10-megapixel camera as last year. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also have 12GB of RAM. This will be paired with either 256GB or 512GB of storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. According to previous reports, the device powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, with 25W wired charging through its USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. The Flip 6 is expected to be $100 more expensive than its predecessor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.